Nowadays everyone is talking about ChatGPT. Say hello to the latest sensation in the technological world, ChatGPT. What is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is an artificial intelligence chatbot developed by OpenAI. It is built on top of OpenAI's GPT 3.5 and GPT-4 families of large language models, and has been fine-tuned using both supervised and reinforcement learning techniques. Its makers Altman, Musk, and other Silicon Valley investors created an artificial intelligence research non-profit organization in 2015 and unveiled it to the world on 30th of November 2022. What is the meaning of ChatGPT? ChatGPT is an AI chatbot that uses natural language processing to create human-like conversational dialogue. The language model can respond to questions and compose various written content, including articles, social media posts, essays, code and emails. What are the uses of ChatGPT? It can help data scientists find the appropriate datasets. Data scientists can also use ChatGPT as a conversational interface to interact with their data. They can ask questions, provide commands, and receive responses in natural language, which can help them to work more efficiently. Where does ChatGPT get its idea? ChatGPT is an AI language model that was trained on a large body of text from a variety of sources, for example, Wikipedia, books, news articles, scientific journals. Does ChatGPT give the same answer? ChatGPT can generate essays, write code, and more from user queries. Most of the time, when different people ask ChatGPT the exact same question, they will get the same answer. There may be a few word variations, but they will be almost identical. Can we use ChatGPT for free? Made by OpenAI. Well known for having developed the text-to-image generator DALL-E. It's currently available for anyone to try out for free. Can ChatGPT get detected? As part of their AI detection scheme, they have launched a new AI writing and ChatGPT detector. The new software is said to have 97% accuracy and a false positive rate of only 1%. Unfortunately, the detector is not available yet but is predicted to be released in April this year. Does ChatGPT collect personal data? Italy's Data Protection Authority said OpenAI, the California company that makes ChatGPT, unlawfully collected personal data from users and did not have an age verification system in place to prevent minors from being exposed to illicit material. Is ChatGPT safe? ChatGPT has the potential to be used by attackers to trick and target you and your computer. For example, fraudsters can use ChatGPT to quickly create spam and phishing emails. Is ChatGPT better than Google Search? Google Search helps you to get suggested answers to your questions by giving you a list of websites that are relevant to your questions. On the other hand, ChatGPT gives you the to-the-point answers in a natural flow. It is like using a guidebook. To compete against the AI bot, Google launched its own AI, which is Google Bard. It was launched in February 2023 and has been developed on the Lambda model, language model for dialogue applications. This means that it can give answers to your questions in a conversational way, similar to ChatGPT. What are ChatGPT alternatives? ChatGPT is not the first tool that has been developed to make work easier. Many other types of AI chatbots have been developed in the past that are capable of solving human problems, like Replika, ChatSonic, Microsoft Bing, JasperChat, Character AI, UChat, DialoGPT, etc. Is there any country where ChatGPT is banned? Italy has become the first Western country to block advanced chatbot ChatGPT. The Italian Data Protection Authority said there were privacy concerns relating to the model, which was created by U.S. startup OpenAI and is backed by Microsoft. Several countries, like China, Russia, Iran and North Korea, have blocked ChatGPT, which came into existence in November 2022. ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a large language model developed by OpenAI, based on the GPT, Generative Pre-trained Transformer, architecture. It is designed to understand natural language input and generate human-like responses. Essentially, it is an AI chatbot that can converse with you on a wide range of topics, answer your questions, and engage in natural language interactions. I hope the information presented here about ChatGPT has answered your various queries and concerns. Stay tuned for more information and updates.